Welcome to Kohala Coast Living. This week we are headed to view a brand new property that just hit the market, and it's in Heathers 1 of Kohala Ranch. So if you've been waiting for that beautiful view property in Heathers 1, this one might just be the one. Let's go take a look. As you drive up to this property, you can feel the calm of Kohala Ranch. The road opens to endless sky, rolling hills, and ocean views that stretch to the horizon. The air feels lighter here, and that soft island breeze seems to slow everything down. The property itself is peaceful and private, surrounded by tropical greenery and cared for with intention. Every detail reflects the ease of coastal living. Designed by a local artist, this home was built to honor its surroundings. Every line, every window, and every curve captures the light and beauty of the land. Step inside and you're greeted by space and light. High ceilings create an open, airy feel. The wood tray ceilings add warmth and a soft glow throughout the home. This combination of craftsmanship and comfort sets the tone for the entire space. The great room is designed for both relaxing and entertaining. Large pocketing doors open completely, connecting the living spaces to the lanai and ocean breeze. The kitchen, dining, and living areas flow together seamlessly. The kitchen includes a spacious island with seating, a gas cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and walk-through pantry. It's a place where you can cook, gather, and still feel part of everything happening around you. From this space, the Pacific stretches endlessly before you. By day, the view is pure blue. At sunset, the home glows with golden light. The outdoor area is where this property truly shines. More than 3,000 square feet of tiled lanais wrap around the home, offering space for morning coffee, evening gatherings, and quiet moments with the ocean in view. If you've been dreaming of a pool, the perfect spot is already here, ready to capture those sunset reflections. The yard is large, flat, and fully usable, beautifully landscaped with tropical plants and thoughtful artistic touches. The primary suite feels like a retreat. Pocket doors on two sides open to the lawn and ocean view so you can wake up to the Pacific right from your bed. The ensuite bathroom feels like a spa, complete with dual vanities, a soaking tub, and an outdoor shower surrounded by greenery. There's also a dedicated office with built-in desks and cabinets. There's also a guest bedroom and a beautiful den that is comfortable, each with easy access to the lanai. An attached guest suite connected by a breezeway adds privacy and flexibility. With its own entrance, full bath, and sleeping area, it's perfect for visitors, extended family, or use as an art studio. It's connected to the spacious two-car garage. The home runs on a 24-panel-owned solar system and features underground utilities, gas, and a private water system, blending comfort with sustainability. Located in the Heathers section of Kohala Ranch, the weather is ideal, warm days, cool evenings, and a steady trade wind that makes outdoor living easy year-round. As the evening sets in, the house fills with golden light and the ocean glows in the distance. Every space feels intentional and connected to the landscape. This is the essence of island living. Kohala Ranch is a gated community known for its privacy, panoramic views, and connection to nature. You're just minutes from world-class beaches, Mauna Kea and Manalani resorts, and the town of Waimea, home to farmers markets and wonderful restaurants. Thank you so much for joining me today on this property tour of this Heather's One home. If you have any questions about this home, please reach out. You can text or call me anytime. I'll put my information down below. And if you want to know more about Kohala Ranch, you can visit my website at kohalacoastliving.com/Kohala Ranch, where I have lots of information about the neighborhood. I have maps there, design guidelines, frequently asked questions, and all of the lots that are available. So be sure to go there. And if you have any questions, you can also call me anytime. Thanks again for joining, and I hope to see you next time.